If OneNote is showing blank pages, invisible text, weird colors, or a display error that makes your notes hard to read, don't worry. This usually means the color rendering engine or cache has gotten stuck. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step fix for the OneNote display error on Windows, and if this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. First, open OneNote and click File, then Account. Under Office Theme, change the theme from black or dark gray to white or colorful. If it's already on white or colorful, switch it to a dark theme, then switch it back. This simple theme refresh can often force OneNote to redraw the page correctly. Now fully close OneNote, don't just minimize it, make sure it's actually shut down. To confirm, press Ctrl, Shift and S key to open Task Manager, then check that OneNote is no longer running. If it is, end the task so we can make sure nothing is still holding on to the broken display data. Next, press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run box. Type %localap data cent plus Microsoft plus OneNote and press Enter. This takes you directly to OneNote's local data folder, where the display cache is stored. Inside that folder, open the version folder that matches your OneNote install, such as 16.0. Once you're inside the correct version folder, look for a folder named Cache. This is the folder that can become corrupted and cause pages to display incorrectly. Rename cache to cache old. Renaming it is important because it safely preserves the old files while forcing OneNote to create fresh ones. Now reopen OneNote. When OneNote starts again, it will rebuild the cache and re-download a clean, visually correct copy of your pages. Give it a moment to sync and reload everything, because the first launch after this fix may take a little longer than usual. In most cases, your notes should now appear normally again with the correct colors, readable text, and proper page rendering. If the issue came from a theme glitch, this process usually clears it completely. If OneNote still looks off, you can repeat the theme switch one more time and make sure the cache folder was renamed correctly. And that's how to fix the OneNote display error on Windows. If this tutorial saved you time, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.